I'm going to pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir. He did. He said so. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be represented or bounded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law, constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th, 2025 at 9 a.m. It is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to bond. At this time, we'll continue. Let's call the case of the people versus Stephen Javon.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Had my social security backwards and had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name Stephen Javon?
He had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different?
Had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, which I'm still going through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. It happened not too long ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just deciding to kill this case. This case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No.
Maybe
I can't keep
approach.
going because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff to me. I've had
This is going to be important. It's okay. Yeah, come on.
This is an open and shut state.
You had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any
Evaluation, and they almost killed me.
Sir,
get me out the
sir, sir,
almost killed me, man.
sir,
I can't keep going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest.
I'm going to say, sir, I'm going to say, sir, one more time.
Reaction to that.
Evaluation, parental
I'm order you for a competency evaluation, man.
Yeah.
I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You want to know what? You keep talking, we're going to have a problem. I'm going to get through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right. If you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication. I'm not going to be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not going to be taking something that I'm not.
All right. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I've given you 2 warnings. That's the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there.
You need to go with him. Call security. Call security down.
Courtroom the same way. Man, that's the same way. You part of something that did something to me, man. All the time.
You guys might want to go check back there. I don't know.
Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
So make it.
Court calls case People versus Justin Duffany.
Corey Burton here, Assistant Prosecutor of Catholic People.
Kyle Burrell on behalf of Mr. Duffany, who's approaching the podium. As today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. I was just appointed on this matter yesterday afternoon, so we are asking for a brief adjournment for discovery and for plea negotiations. A bond violation or a...
There is.
Yes, Judge. So I spoke to Mr. Duffany. He went to community corrections yesterday at 4:20 p.m., but he did not have the money to test, so he was unable to. We did discuss today. He's going to go immediately to community corrections after this. I do have an email from community corrections to confirm that he was there.
Is he going to test clean?
I believe so, Judge. Yes. He's on what?
Are you going to test clean?
I'm on Suboxone. Yeah. I'm prescribed Suboxone.
You're prescribed it?
So thank you, Judge.
I'm not doing it anymore. Takes too long. Just go on. Okay. Court recalls case People versus Justin Duffany.
Your Honor, I'm Corey Burton here, Chief Assistant Prosecutor appearing on behalf of the people.
Kyle Burrell back on the record with Mr. Duffany. Justin, please state your name for the record.
Justin Duffany.
I've seen the results, Judge, and I have gone.
For cocaine, Mr. Allen.
I would assume that.
Moving to adjourn the probable cause conference to August 14th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond at this time, given the violation, his bond is revoked. Defendant's remand.
Thank you, Judge.